Welcome to Unit 3. And for those who haven't seen Unit 1 and 2, there is links above, so you can go back and watch Units 1 and 2 before you do Unit 3, if you please. Today's unit is about register. Now, often collocations, rather than individual words, suggest a particular register. For example, phrases using the word pretty, meaning fairly, sound informal when used with a negative adjective. Negative adjective. Yes. For example, pretty awful, pretty dreadful, pretty dull. And they are typical spoken English. Now, this whole unit is in 4 units, 4 parts rather. You've got your first part, which is spoken English. We just spoke about that. And we've got, next one would be formal English. Then we've got newspaper English, media English. And then we've got some business English. And then we have the quiz. But first, like, subscribe, ring that bell, and if you find it interesting, share this video. Now, we are going to go on to the first one, which is spoken English. So have a look at these examples. You will need to remember these examples because they are going to be part of the quiz later in the video. So here we go. Spoken English. You badly need a haircut. Give me a call when you get home. I'll have a think about it. I'll let you know. I'm bored stiff in this lesson. They were your spoken English examples. Now we're moving on to formal English. Now, formal English are mostly, formal English collocations are mostly found in official documents, official signs, notices, legal forms. You'll find them more on the legal side. So, here are your examples for formal English. People who go onto someone's land or enters their building without permission will be taken to court. Get off their bicycles. Get off the bus. One, throw away. 2, container used for storing or putting objects in. That was formal English. Now, the next one is newspaper English. Now, some collocations, particularly ones that are used or use short dramatic words, are found mainly in newspapers. In most cases, they would not normally be used in everyday conversation. But here is some examples for you. Don't forget, remember these because you will need them in the quiz later. And also, like, subscribe, ring that bell. And here comes your newspaper collocations for English. Here we go. Computer factory to axe jobs, meaning make staff redundant. Airline slashes prices, meaning cut prices drastically. Government spending will rocket this year, meaning government are going to spend a lot of money this year. Police crack down on speeding, meaning start dealing with it in a more severe way. Police quiz 16-year-old in murder inquiry, meaning asking questions. Flu outbreak hits southern Europe, meaning many people are becoming sick or ill. And that was your newspaper English collocations. And next we've got coming up some business English collocations. And here are your examples. Here we go. To submit a tender, meaning present a document offering to do a job and stating the price. To raise capital, meaning get money to put into a business. To go into partnership with someone, meaning agree to start or run a business with someone. To start up a business, meaning to start a new business. So now you've had all your examples. Now you will need these examples for the next part. The next part is going to be the quiz. You've had your spoken English examples, you've had your newspaper English examples, business English examples, and the formal English examples. Now all the answers are in those 4 parts I just spoke about. Now the first part of the quiz is spot the collocation. You will find there'll be some text come up and you have to search through it and find the collocation. Some there's 3, some there's 2. And then it will be highlighted at the end so you can see if you got them correct or not. Okay, so here comes the first part of the quiz. That was the first part of the quiz, and that was spot the collocation. I hope you did well. And the next part is formal or informal. So I want you to read the text and then decide whether it's formal or informal. And I'll see you at the end of this part. Well, that was the formal and informal part of the quiz. I hope you did well there as well. And next, we've got coming up, match the sentences. So at the beginning, you've got a start of the sentence, and you will have to choose between 4 endings of the sentence. And you need to choose the correct ending. So, here we go. Matching the sentences. And we're back. That was matching the sentences. And a little bit more difficult to make you get to find the collocations in the start and then complete the collocation in the ending of the sentence. A little bit more difficult. Now, for the next one, we've got fill in the gap. Same thing again. You need to choose the correct words to complete the collocation, to fill in the gap and make the sentence correct. Okay, so here we go with fill in the gap. Good luck. Well, that's the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new. And make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the next course is born, the next unit is coming out. We do intend to bring out 3 units a week, but we didn't with this one because this one was a little bit more difficult to make and took a bit longer. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you did well. See you in the next one. Bye for now.